Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making Baba Ganoush. It's a Lebanese dip made from roasted eggplants. If you're like me who struggles what to do with eggplants, this recipe is for you, so keep watching till the end. Traditionally, Baba Ganoush is made by grilling the eggplants, which gives it an additional layer of smoky flavor, but for this recipe we are using an oven. If you are new here, I make easy vegan food, and if you would like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified for future recipes. Let's get started. Take 2 medium eggplants, slice the eggplant all around, and we are doing this step for 2 reasons. Number 1, it will help the eggplant to cook properly from the inside and get all that smoky flavor. Number 2, we are going to insert some cloves of garlic which will get cooked along with eggplant and infuse with it and add that extra flavor to your recipe. So try not to skip this step. If the garlic cloves are large, you can slice them horizontally before inserting them in the eggplant. I'm using around 7 to 8 medium cloves of garlic. You can also insert green chili along with the cloves of garlic if you like. Do this for both the eggplants. We are going to cook the eggplants in the oven. You can make it in different ways, either on a grill or directly on an open flame on your stovetop. Bake the eggplant over 350 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until it's cooked perfectly. After 45 minutes, the eggplants are cooked beautifully. Let them cool down for some time, and if you're impatient like me, be extra careful while peeling off the skin of the eggplant. The eggplants are cooked evenly from the inside along with the garlic. Make sure you cleanly remove all the skin. The secret to make a perfect Baba Ganoush is roasting the eggplants until it's super soft, giving it a lovely smoky flavor. You can just scrape out the inside of the eggplant like this, as it's soft and will easily separate from the skin. I'm making sure I get everything off from the eggplant. Once done, mash it a little, though it's not needed as we are ultimately going to blend it. Add the eggplant to the blender. If you don't feel like using a blender, just add the remaining ingredients and mix well with a fork. It wouldn't be smooth, but the flavors will be exactly the same. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini. You may increase or decrease the quantity of tahini as per your choice. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you don't like it to be spicy, use paprika powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend everything until smooth. Look at that texture, it's silky smooth. Now it's time to plate the dish. Pour it into a bowl. Baba Ganoush is a way of rediscovering eggplant. This Lebanese dip is similar to hummus but lighter and creamier. For plating, take a spoon and rotate it in a spiral fashion on top of the dip with a light hand. It will create this beautiful swirl in the dip. Sprinkle some red chili or paprika powder, followed by a generous drizzle of olive oil. And if you like, add some fresh cilantro or parsley leaves. You can serve this with so many different dishes. It is one of those dips which I just can't stop eating, and I'm so happy that it's healthy and low in calories. Baba Ganoush can be eaten with pita bread or raw vegetables such as carrots, pepper or cucumbers. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan playlist. So that's all for today guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.